In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go and sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow these quick steps I'm going to show you guys in this video. Now to install Trust Wallet, you can simply head over to Play Store and hit the install button. We'll go and open it. Now if you have an existing wallet, just log into that or create a new one. That's really simple and easy. We'll just put in our code here, and after that you will see this kind of interface. Now if you have any amount of crypto, we'll just go and click on this sell button. There are different options given to you guys here, and once we click on sell button, we'll go and select a coin. For example, here if I just select Bitcoin, if I have any amount of Bitcoin, I'll just enter here and I'll click on sell button. Now after you click the sell button, they'll provide you with some details, and if you're satisfied with the details, you can further proceed with the transaction. They will also ask you to verify yourself using your biometric and stuff. And once you have done that, you can simply head over to complete the transaction. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.